Welcome to EndFlex, manufacturer of end-of-line packaging systems. Today we're going to be demonstrating an integrated system that automatically forms trays and tray packs them. So this is the Poplock, or automatic tray forming machine. This machine will take this flat blank and automatically fold it to look like this, a perfectly formed display tray. So this is where it all begins. Containers are automatically filled, labeled, and capped, and then we'll enter our tray packing system. We're going to be filing the product one behind the other, and we're going to convey it directly to the tray packer. As the containers enter the tray packer, we're going to divide them into 4 lanes. Once we stage the 4x5 pack pattern, we're then going to pick them up and then load them directly into the tray. And there you have it, a complete automated system to tray pack containers with no people.